Do you want to make money quickly and easily by simply using your phone? Right now, I'm about to show you a free system that will work on cell phones, tablets, computers, and even your personal computer. This method is really simple and works all around the world. Even if you're not at home or at the office, you can still make money with this simple method. And I'm not talking about a few cents. I'm talking about earning $4 to $5 simply answering basic questions that take less than 15 seconds to complete. This will have a result of answering questions for just 5 minutes. You may earn $40 in no time. So just stick around until the end of the video to understand every step and start earning the quick PayPal cash right away. Hey there! Welcome to Online Money Plug, where we connect you to anything on how you can earn quick money online. Now, just before we get started, smash that thumbs up button if you like this kind of content. Also, if you haven't already, subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell for you to be notified every time a new video is uploaded. With everything out of the way, let's go right into the video so I can show you everything. So, this is going to be the app we're going to use. EnrollApp.com is the website's name. This app's purpose is to make the internet a better place, and it delivers especially for you. This method is now a pleasurable way to earn money. Here are a few reasons why I love it, and I believe it's ideal for complete beginners. You don't need any prior knowledge to perform this, and it's very straightforward. I'm going to show you exactly how to accomplish it step by step. If you simply follow the steps in this video and do not skip any, you will have no trouble making money with this tool. They also pay using PayPal, which is fantastic because you'll be able to spend that money whichever you wish. This app has been around for a while and is used by a large number of individuals. I have done a lot of research and read a lot of reviews on this app, and everyone seems to be thrilled with how much money they're making. This is due to the fact that the specific money-making online method is a lot of fun. To get started with EnrollApp.com, go to their official homepage using your smartphone, tablet, laptop, or computer. Any device will work. I need you to click here right now where it says Sign Up Email. I'd like you to make a new account, which you can do by entering your valid email address here and creating a unique and easy password for your account, which you may then retype. Then by clicking on these boxes right here, you must agree to the terms specific in Enroll's privacy policy and terms of service. And then click Enroll Now. After that, you'll receive a confirmation email from your Gmail account. Simply click the green Confirm My Account button to complete the process of creating a new account. Congratulations! You did an excellent job. You only need to tell them a little bit more about yourself when you check into your account. You need to input your first and last names here, then choose I'm not a robot, and then continue. With only that one, you can see for yourself that this software is cool and that using it will provide you with a pleasant method to earn money. Now I'm going to show you an example test and explain to you exactly how to generate money with this website. As a result, I must click I accept your challenge. And we'll start with a short and straightforward challenge. Let's do this. You'll respond after that. You input your PayPal address so they may continue to pay you through PayPal. The next step is to choose the languages that you are fluent in. You can choose from a variety of language if you speak English and others. The more languages you know, the more money you can earn because you'll have assignments and missions to do. For the time being, I'll just choose English and continue. They'll ask for your country code, and as you can see, they welcome folks from all over the world, which is great for all of you. Then over here, input your phone number and click Proceed. They'll ask you about your home nation, so just respond. What's even better is that they'll ask whether you want them to send you tests as soon as they're ready, because responding yes will result in a large sum of money. I'd like you to click yes to maximize your outcomes. Then you choose your gender, birth date, and educational level. Now, regardless of your degree of education, I strongly advise you to pursue higher levels because the better level of education you have, the more duties they will assign to you and the more money you will earn. Select Continue from the drop-down menu. After that, you choose whatever as much as possible, such as 6 figures or even more, because the larger your annual income, the more missions you will receive. That's how things work. I just click continue again right now. Simply list a couple of your hobbies and interests. They'll now ask you to describe your computer skills and how many hours per day you spend on the internet. For them to prioritize you, I want you to choose 4 to 5 hours or 6 more hours. They'll next ask what devices you can test on. If you have both mobile and desktop, I suggest you choose both. If you have a tablet though, go ahead and pick those 3. As a result, you will earn even more money and you will be able to triple your earnings because you can now perform the exam on all 3 devices. After that, simply click Finish Registration and you're done. As you can see, you've been accepted. You have no problems getting accepted if you've been following all of the prior tabs they've shown you. As a result, I'd like to congratulate those who have diligently followed the above procedures. Before we go any further, if you enjoyed the video so far, I'll give you time to go on and subscribe to the channel and give it a big thumbs up. And if you found this tutorial interesting and useful, leave a comment down below because we'd love to know your thoughts. Now it's time to get back to work and continue making money. To rewind a little, now that you're all set up on this side, you'll click on Take Me to my dashboard so we can get started performing assignments and earning money. They will present you with a series of random questions that will allow you to earn real money. It's best if you can answer as many questions as possible. As you can see, every time I answer a question, the progress meter increases. That's all there is to it. Simply click continue after answering their question. You can click yes or no to answer those questions. When new tests become available, you will receive an email notification, or you can simply access the dashboard and log into your brand new and unique app account. You'll be also able to see which tests are new. You simply complete the activities, which can take less than a minute, and you can be paid $4, $5, $6, or even $10 and $15 for completing a basic test. They'll ask you questions or provide you with information on a specific website, and it all be completely free. As you can see, signing up took less than 2 minutes, and answering those questions took less than 15 seconds. Once you've accumulated enough points, you can cash out to PayPal and get paid as quickly as possible. As I previously stated, this is a cool and entertaining method to make money. Now you know a fresh, simple, and enjoyable way to generate money online. You won't believe it, but that's all it takes to make simple money online. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if you made it this far. For more content like this, go on and check out my other videos. Subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so you'll be the first to know the easiest methods in making money online.